Welcome back to Crypto Front. This is the front line where we are fighting together side by side for financial freedom. It really has been a long time since my last update here on Jasmi, maybe a month or so. The reason for that is that obviously it has been difficult to motivate anybody. The market has really been tough, but I'm back here. And the bottom line here, or the summary of this whole video, is that I'm much more bullish on Jasmi once again for a few reasons that I'm going to be sharing with you in today's video. But really, to be honest with you, it's just about where the worst of the market is, and Jasmi being part of this market, I don't think it's going to be left out, right? So, I mean, we've been taking a look at the Jasmi price, looking at this area as a resistance, and of course, it rejected the price just a little bit much more. The good thing here is that we did not set a new low compared to the previous one that we had set back towards the end of April. So now for Jasmi, this is what you call a bullish setup, right? So if you want to keep things simple, actually, also on the daily time frame, you could take a look at the RSI and also just realize that, look, in this whole bull trend, Jasmi has been able to hold this RSI right around the 30 mark. And as you can see at the moment, we're just bouncing off of those levels once again. This has been an area historically that has led the Jasmi price to do, you know, things like 200%, 300%, 400%, as you can see in this situation, or maybe in this case here, maybe about 180%. And you can also see probably in this situation here, you can talk about a 328% and stuff like that here for Jasmi. These are rallies that have come from, you know, the support of this RSI on the daily time frame. So we can expect something great for Jasmi here, immediate short term. So if history is going to be any indication of what the future holds, here the RSI is expected to go ahead and do something like this here. In this moment is when you can expect the Jasmi price to go and push towards a new high, which is higher than the 6 cent level that we were setting back then in December 2024. So I'm very much optimistic. I don't know if you can tell from my voice, which probably is not sounding too good because I didn't even look at my microphone to check if it was sounding okay. I was just so excited of the things that I was seeing here for Jasmi on this chart. So immediate short term, I mean, pertaining to a trade and stuff like that. Let me show you what I'm trading here for Jasmi, because I think that on the 1 hourly time frame, what we have done is basically make an ABC correction, and this usually indicates that a new wave is about to form here for Jasmi, which pushes the price obviously higher. I will talk about my, you know, price target short term, but I'm very much confident in this one because I also realize that if I take a look at my Fibonacci retracement too, from the very bottom right there until the top, you can see that we are bouncing exactly out of the 0.618 Fibonacci and retracement level. So this is a common area of support, especially with this ABC correction that you see right there. This usually pushes the price towards the upside. So let me make things very much simple and less technical here. And I'm saying that, okay, look, for Jasmi, we can be looking at price targets which are as high as at least this top range here, which can be from an area where the price is sitting towards the top here. We can see a 30% immediate short term in the next coming days, probably the next week, right? So the target that I'm looking for Jasmi here is about 1.6 cents from where the price is sitting. Yes, this is just the price target in the immediate short term, right? But this is also very important in the context of forming a bottom here for Jasmi, because I mean, you can realize that if we keep pushing like this, we are actually forming a double bottom with a higher low, as you can see in this situation here, which is something that always indicates, you know, something that is very much bullish. But to be honest with you, Jasmi really doesn't have much of a say in what is happening at this point. I think that in the macro, by that I mean, you know, things like the US stock market, the Bitcoin price, the Bitcoin dominance, the dollar, you know, currency index, and stuff like that, they are also indicating a very much positive structure for, you know, general markets in the world and crypto as well. As you can see, the S&P 500 here setting a new all-time high, and it's really flying, right? Basically in price discovery after this whole tariff shock, and it's looking safe right now. If you go ahead and take a look at other indexes, like maybe the Dow Jones Industrial Average, you see almost the same thing, verging a new all-time high right there. So the reason why I'm even bringing this up is because there is a very obvious correlation that happens right there with, you know, equity market and crypto. Because if you just go ahead here and try to compare, let's say total or total 2, which is basically the market cap of all cryptocurrencies here, you can see that, look, the one in pink here is the market cap of crypto, and the one below here is, you know, the Dow Jones Industrial Average. I mean, take a look at how these things have moved step by step over the years. So the stock market can sometimes be a leader, and the crypto market can also be sometimes a leader, but basically we are looking at one and the same thing happening right there. The good thing is that right now crypto hasn't moved just yet, so it means we've got a leading indicator in the stock market, and sooner rather than later crypto is going to be following. Now we're saying crypto in general, right? But also don't forget that, you know, Jasmi is also part and parcel of the crypto market. So if the rest of the market is bullish, I don't see a scenario in which Jasmi doesn't come in, you know, play a huge part in the body that is going to be coming right there. We'll talk more about longer term price targets here, but I just wanted to show you quickly what the picture is looking like here. But if I may just summarize everything, I'm liking what I'm seeing, right? So I'm going to be making more videos in the coming few days, maybe 2 sometimes. I'm going to be talking about other different altcoins because I'm not only holding Jasmi. But for now, this is what I have for Jasmi. I want to thank you so much for watching the video. If you could, please delicately tap the like button, share the video with your friends and family, and I'll see you on the next one. Take really, really good care of yourselves. Bye-bye.